In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up automated ad campaigns with AdCreative AI and give you a quick explanation of what this tool can do to boost your marketing efforts. AdCreative AI is designed to help businesses generate high-quality ad creatives quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a digital marketer or a business owner, this tool can save you hours of manual work while delivering optimized ads tailored for performance. Getting started with AdCreative AI is simple. First, sign up and connect your ad accounts. You can integrate it with platforms like Facebook, Google, or even LinkedIn. Once you're set up, you can begin creating campaigns that leverage AI-powered insights to produce ads that are proven to convert. The magic happens when you start using the automated features. AdCreative AI analyzes your audience and business goals, and then it generates multiple variations of ad creatives. What sets it apart is its ability to use AI to understand which visuals, headlines, and copy combinations work best. You don't have to guess anymore. AI takes care of that for you. Next, let's talk about automation. Once you've generated your ad creatives, AdCreative AI automatically recommends and sets up your campaign's targeting, budget, and delivery schedule. This means you can launch campaigns that are already optimized for performance without needing to manually adjust everything. Plus, it continually monitors your ads and suggests changes based on live data, making it an ongoing, hands-free optimization system. One of the standout features of AdCreative AI is its built-in A/B testing. You don't have to manually test your ads anymore. AdCreative AI does that for you. It will create multiple variations and find the best performing ones, ensuring that your ads always perform at their peak. The platform is also designed for speed. Instead of spending time creating ad creatives from scratch or waiting for agencies to deliver designs, you can instantly generate ads using AdCreative AI's templates or from scratch. It's incredibly user-friendly with no prior design skills necessary. If you're worried about the complexity of setting up these automated campaigns, don't be. AdCreative AI is intuitive and easy to navigate. Plus, if you need help, they offer excellent customer support to guide you through every step of the process. And here's where it gets even better. If you want to try AdCreative AI for free, you can use the exclusive link in the description below. This link gives you access to a special extended trial period, so you can dive in and start creating your automated ad campaigns risk-free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up automated ad campaigns with AdCreative AI and leverage its powerful features to make your marketing efforts more efficient and effective. If you're ready to take your digital ads to the next level, don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below and start optimizing your ads with AdCreative AI today.